retirement doesn't mean grounding your adventures. In fact, it might be the perfect time to take to the skies. Today, we're looking at 8 budget-friendly private planes you can buy for under $150,000. These aircraft deliver real value without sacrificing the excitement, comfort, or reliability you want. Whether you're a new pilot or getting back into flying after years away, there's something here with your name on it. Buckle up, let's dive in. The Cessna 150 is one of the most affordable and beginner-friendly ways to get into private aviation, perfect for retired pilots who want simplicity without a big price tag. Usually found well under $50,000, it's a 2-seat aircraft that keeps operating costs incredibly low, both in fuel and maintenance. Cruising at about 95 knots, it's not built for speed, but that's not the point. The 150 is all about relaxed flying, steady handling, and building confidence in the cockpit. Its high-wing design offers excellent visibility, while predictable control response makes every flight feel calm and comfortable, even for those just restarting their flying journey. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to a massive support network and abundant parts. Mechanics know this plane inside and out, so repairs are rarely complicated or expensive. Inside, the cockpit is simple and uncluttered, giving you exactly what you need to focus on flying. If you're looking for an entry-level private plane that's inexpensive to buy, cheap to operate, and trusted by pilots for decades, the Cessna 150 is hard to beat. It's a gentle, reliable companion that brings you back to the pure joy of flight without breaking the bank. The Diamond DA-40 Star is a sleek, modern option for retired pilots who want safety, comfort, and efficiency, all while staying under that $150,000 mark on the used market. With its distinctive composite airframe, the DA-40 is lightweight, strong, and highly fuel efficient, often burning less than 10 gallons per hour. Cruising at around 140 knots, it offers a surprisingly quick cross-country pace without overwhelming new or returning pilots. The handling is smooth and stable, making it feel almost intuitive in the air. Its long, glider-inspired wings give the DA-40 excellent performance and forgiving behavior, perfect for those who value confidence over complexity. Inside, many models include Garmin G1000 glass avionics, a huge advantage at this price point. The cockpit is bright and roomy, with large windows that give outstanding visibility, helping reduce fatigue on longer flights. Safety is a standout feature. The DA-40 consistently ranks among the safest single-engine aircraft thanks to its predictable flight characteristics and strong crash-resistant design. Maintenance is manageable, and the composite structure resists corrosion, helping keep long-term ownership costs in check. For retired pilots who want a modern, fuel-efficient airplane with great safety and comfort without blowing the budget, the Diamond DA-40 Star delivers far more than its price suggests. The Cessna 182 Skylane is a top pick for retired pilots who value strength, comfort, and capability, all while staying under $150,000 on the used market. With its 230 horsepower engine, the Skylane delivers a confident cruise of about 140 knots and handles high-altitude terrain far better than many budget options. What makes the 182 so appealing is how easy it is to live with. Its high-wing design gives excellent visibility and a stable ride, while the fixed landing gear keeps maintenance simple and affordable. Takeoffs and landings feel smooth and predictable, making it a great step-up aircraft for newer pilots or those getting back into flying after years away. Inside, the cabin offers generous space for passengers and gear, making weekend getaways comfortable and practical. Many used Skylanes come equipped with modern Garmin upgrades, giving you solid navigation tools without adding intimidation. Maintenance is straightforward, backed by an enormous support network and abundant parts. Whether you're flying paved runways or the occasional backcountry strip, the Skylane offers confidence and versatility. If you're looking for a budget-friendly private plane that's strong, reliable, and easy to fly, the Cessna 182 Skylane is a proven workhorse that delivers far more value than its price tag suggests. The Diamond DA-42 Twinstar is a true standout for retired pilots who want twin-engine confidence without the usual twin-engine price. On the used market, early generation DA-42s can be found near the $150,000 mark, offering an impressive combination of safety, efficiency, and modern capability that's hard to match. Powered by economical diesel or Austro engines, the Twinstar sips fuel at a rate more like a small single, often under 10 gallons per hour per side, while cruising comfortably around 160 knots. That means solid cross-country performance without punishing operating costs. The DA-42's composite airframe is light, strong, and corrosion-resistant, giving it long-term durability, perfect for owners who plan to fly for many years. Handling is smooth and predictable, making this one of the most approachable twins for newer or returning pilots. And yes, having two engines adds a layer of peace of mind over water, mountains, or nighttime flying. Inside, the cockpit feels modern, often equipped with Garmin G1000 avionics that simplify navigation and increase situational awareness. The cabin is spacious and bright, with large windows providing an open, relaxed flying experience. If you're looking for an affordable twin that delivers serious capability, incredible efficiency, and a strong reputation for safety, the Diamond DA-42 Twinstar is a rare find, one that makes stepping up into multi-engine flying surprisingly friendly. The Cessna 206 Stationair is the ultimate go-anywhere budget hauler. Perfect for retired pilots who want capability without luxury price tags. On the used market, older models can be found under $150,000, offering rugged performance and room for the whole family, plus the fishing gear. Powered by a strong 285 to 300 horsepower engine, the Stationair cruises around 140 to 150 knots and handles short or unimproved runways with ease. Its high-wing design and sturdy landing gear give you confidence whether you're landing on small-town pavement or dusty backcountry strips. The real magic is its utility. With seating for up to 6 and wide double cargo doors, the 206 swallows bikes, camping gear, or luggage for a week away. No sweat. Yet, despite its size, the Stationair still feels surprisingly manageable for newer or returning pilots. Inside, you get a comfortable, no-nonsense cabin. Many used examples are upgraded with Garmin avionics, helping keep navigation simple and workload low. Maintenance is straightforward, thanks to a huge parts network and decades of proven reliability. If you're looking for an affordable private plane with serious muscle, loads of space, and the toughness to handle real-world flying, the Cessna 206 Stationair delivers, all without breaking your retirement budget. The Piper PA-28 Cherokee is one of the most practical and budget-friendly choices for retired pilots who want an easy, comfortable way to stay in the air without spending a fortune. On the used market, many models are well under $150,000, often far less, making it a smart entry point into private ownership. Powered by a reliable 150 to 180 horsepower engine, the Cherokee typically cruises around 105 to 120 knots. It's not about speed, it's about calm, predictable flying. The low-wing design gives it smooth handling, while the fixed landing gear keeps things simple and inexpensive to maintain. What makes the PA-28 so appealing is how approachable it feels. Takeoffs, landings, and turns are steady and forgiving, ideal for newer pilots or those returning after a long break. Inside, the cabin is straightforward and familiar, with many upgraded used models now featuring Garmin avionics for easier navigation. Maintenance costs stay low thanks to strong parts availability and mechanics who know the airplane well. It's a design that's been refined over decades, earning a reputation for being tough, honest, and easy to own. If you're looking for an affordable private plane that's dependable, comfortable, and beginner-friendly, the Piper PA-28 Cherokee is a proven favorite, a simple, trustworthy bird that lets you enjoy flying without financial stress. The Cessna 172 Skyhawk is the classic everyone knows, and for good reason. As one of the most affordable and reliable private planes on the used market, many well-kept examples can be found under $150,000, making it a top pick for retired pilots who want stress-free flying. Its 160 to 180 horsepower engine cruises around 120 knots, offering relaxed cross-country performance without heavy fuel burn. The high-wing design gives excellent visibility and a stable ride, while the fixed landing gear keeps maintenance simple and predictable. It's the kind of airplane that feels comfortable from the moment you taxi, calm, steady, and confidence building. One of the Skyhawk's greatest strengths is how forgiving it is in the air. Takeoffs, landings, and slow flight feel smooth and manageable, making it ideal for pilots easing back into aviation after years away. Inside, many used models have Garmin avionics that simplify navigation and boost safety without overwhelming the cockpit. Maintenance is famously straightforward. Parts are easy to find. Mechanics know this airplane like the back of their hand, and ownership costs stay pleasantly low. If you're looking for a budget private plane that's easy to fly, economical to maintain, and trusted for decades, the Cessna 172 Skyhawk is the safe, sensible pick. A friendly companion that keeps flying fun. The Mooney M20J is the budget speedster of this list, perfect for retired pilots who want real cross-country performance without spending more than $150,000. Known for its sleek, efficient design, the M20J cruises around 155 to 160 knots on roughly 10 gallons per hour, giving you exceptional range and fuel economy that few planes in this price range can match. Its metal airframe and distinctive forward-swept tail make the Mooney both strong and aerodynamic. While it's faster and a bit more responsive than a Skyhawk or Cherokee, it still feels stable and predictable once you settle in. For pilots who want to travel farther, faster, the M20J is a standout. Inside, the cabin is compact but comfortable, built with practicality in mind. Many used models come upgraded with modern avionics like Garmin GPS and autopilot, helping reduce workload and keeping long trips smooth. Maintenance remains reasonable thanks to strong parts support and a long production history. Owners love how durable these airframes are. Many have flown thousands of hours while staying tight and efficient. If your dream retirement plane is one that can stretch its legs, cover serious ground, and still stay under budget, the Mooney M20J delivers remarkable value. It's the affordable cross-country machine that proves speed doesn't have to cost a fortune.